Hey, Mike Marlin with Wintergreen Corporation. For the folks who love holiday and decor, I got some great products to show you, so let's get into it. First of all, being a veteran myself, I want to make sure that we say thank you to all the service members and those first responders out there to make our country what it is today. So we want to thank you very much from the family of Wintergreen. Thank you for doing all the work you're doing out there. All right, so you want to decorate your house for the holidays, for the veterans and 4th of July and all that stuff. One of the wonderful bulbs I like is the FlexFilament clear bulb, shatterproof bulbs, red, white, and blue. Has that old school kind of incandescent retro look, but it really kind of has a nice glow to it. This is a great bulb to be able to put up your spacings in between 12 inches to 15 inches, give or take, that you're in the desire for. On top of that, when you want to put on your roof lines, you have your other faceted bulbs, which are standard. One of our most popular ones is going to be our OptiCore bulb. It's a polycarbonate shell, has a really nice flow of the lights and so forth, gets you the right brightness going forward to the streets. But this is a great bulb that lasts many, many seasons for you. What I have in my hand is a Starburst. The Starburst is a great product to decorate for the Patriotic season. It has really strong branches. It holds very well. You can make them into a sphere. You can create any different design. The cool thing about this is that where you can think about where it can be decorated at. You can put them in a pot with some flowers or plants and create it coming through. Very floral type of design. You can hang it from a porch, hang it from a big tree, because they do have a little hook at the bottom of it as well, so it's easy to kind of work with. And as well as you can even put them on a stake and like a shepherd's hook, and then zip tie it to give it more of a pathway look. Depends on what kind of party you're having, or just want to leave it on all summer and have it light up. All right, so some of those parties that you have, like long fence lines, big deck you want to decorate with, or even like those big columns in front, rope light really comes in pretty handy to kind of put this together. Now what we do is we sell these separately in different colors, red, white, and blue. You can kind of twist them and put them together. They come in an 18-foot kit, or we have larger reels that you can utilize. So if you ever want to just kind of get into some of this kind of feel, we have that product for you. Another thing on top of the rope light is our mini light sets. These are going to be great for the bushes and trees and anything you want to wrap around. So we do have a Patriotic light set that's going to be red, white, and blue. This comes in just various sizes, as well as then you have our SoftTwinkle in red, white, and blue. And our SoftTwinkle has like all the different sequencing of twinkles, so it's not just one bulb twinkle, all of them twinkle. So it's really cool that way. All right, so for some of those areas you might not have power, or it might be a bigger area that maybe light sets won't do the justice. And like your big airports, your big commercial buildings, storefronts, your big covered outdoor areas by your house. These big stars behind me are phenomenal to use. They got various sizes. They start from 16 inch all the way up to 60 inch. So I'll let you come up with imagination what to do with, but these things are great. Hey, before I let you go, I need a favor from you. Can you subscribe to this page or like this video? Because we're going to have a lot more of these videos, more content throughout the whole year to kind of help you get some more visual ideas with the products we have from Wintergreen. So I really need your help on that. The last thing I need your help on is I challenge you to go decorate your home, your business, your cubicle, wherever you work, in red, white, and blue somehow, some way. Let's light up America. That's our team pride here, and let's go have some fun. So happy decorating, and thank you.